The coach is very enthusiastic. I take a private class with 2 people. The coach takes care very carefully. After completing this class, you can know how to surf the basics. Whether I surf well or not is up to me. It was my first time surfing and was able to stand up halfway through the lesson. The facilitator offers great tips on how to get in position, how to stand up and where to improve. The hour passes by quite fast and there are clean towels and showers at the shack for washing up and lockers. Lesson was great and surfing was fun with the instructor's guidance. He speaks decent English. There was just a lack of introduction at the shack on what facilities we can use. But we basically used everything they had: showers, towels, hair dryer, etc. The facility looks a little run down, but the surfboards and skateboards they were selling and amenities. Never tried surfing before and the coach made the process very enjoyable. Only feedback is maybe strongly recommend everyone to wear wetsuits for the lesson, to avoid abrasions. Surf Shack and Anong gave us such a fun and unforgettable surfing experience. The staff and instructors were super friendly, patient, and encouraging. Even if you're a beginner, they make you feel confident and safe in the water. This is my first time attending this type of course. The instructor is humorous and the teaching is clear. Even if I can't learn it the first time, it can still be considered an interesting experience. A humorous Japanese instructor who speaks English and a bit of Korean gave me this advice. It seems that you have a sincere mind in surfing, and it seems that you are giving priority to teaching safely and securely from the basics. I took the lesson with 2 people, and he taught me the necessary parts step by step according to their level. Thanks to you, I had so much. I learned to surf here for the first time. It's really hard, but it was fun. I'll die after an hour and a half, lol, because it is rubbed a lot in sand. By all means, please wear long pants. A good first-time experience in surfing. Both instructors were really nice and gave a step-by-step explanation. I personally liked how it was a one-to-one lesson. If you are willing to learn surfing for a longer period of time while here, I recommend that you take this class 1 to 2 times, because of its price, and just rent a board for the rest of the days and keep practicing. The coach speaks good English, is very friendly, very patient, and will help us take beautiful photos. Highly recommend Taiwanese to come and experience it. The coach is very cute. Although he said that surfing is very simple, for beginners, it still crashes, ha 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 ha, smiley face emoji, a concept of being washed by the waves. The waves in Da Nang are already very flat. Everyone can come to participate. Very patient instructor and good class arrangement. It was fun. I want to learn again after Corona is over. I chose a 2-person course. The instructor was very patient and encouraged me to try. But it's really tiring to keep falling. It's a great start for people who have never been exposed to this sport. It's fun. It's a fresh class that's hard to try. Even beginners can easily follow. Smile. I went to the paddleboard on the day when I got back from the trip. But if there was a schedule, I would have wanted to enjoy the waves too. I was so apprehensive that I would like to receive more lessons. I had a new experience too much and my teacher was kind. Thank you very much. I was a little scared because I was scarce, but I did not have a problem to receive lessons if I go next time. I was surfing because I was surfing for the first time and the teacher was very worried. Please explain the details and write a lot of care tilde. You just have to walk a little to the beach wearing a suit. Caution ratio. The instructor also makes it easy to know, and I recommend getting a bottle of water on the first floor and buying more to go to the sea. In addition, it is important to mark one's own shopping bag with other people. And take a good life shot.